How does the pancreas act as both an endocrine and exocrine gland for diabetes? Imagine a tiny organ working behind the scenes to keep your body running smoothly. That's your pancreas, a remarkable gland with a dual role. It acts as both an endocrine and exocrine gland, which is key to understanding how diabetes develops and affects your health. As an endocrine gland, the pancreas has special clusters of cells called islets of Langerhans. These tiny groups make up about 1 to 5% of the pancreas. Inside these islets, different cell types do different jobs. Beta cells produce insulin, which helps lower blood sugar by encouraging cells to take in glucose and store it. Alpha cells produce glucagon, which raises blood sugar by telling the liver to release stored glucose. Delta cells secrete somatostatin, which helps regulate the releases of insulin and glucagon. There are also pancreatic polypeptide cells that help control pancreatic secretions. The balance between insulin and glucagon keeps blood sugar levels steady. When someone has diabetes, especially type 1, the immune system destroys the beta cells. This means less insulin is made, and blood sugar rises too high. In type 2 diabetes, the body becomes resistant to insulin, and the beta cells don't work as well, making blood sugar control harder. Now, on the other side, the pancreas also works as an exocrine gland. It produces digestive enzymes and bicarbonate that are sent into the small intestine through tiny tubes called ducts. These enzymes break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats so your body can absorb nutrients properly. Although the main job is digestion, problems with the exocrine part can happen in diabetes. For example, people with diabetes sometimes have a smaller pancreas or produce fewer digestive enzymes. This can lead to digestive issues like bloating or nutrient absorption problems. Interestingly, the two parts of the pancreas are connected. If one part gets inflamed or damaged, it can affect the other, which might influence the development or worsening of diabetes. So, the pancreas's dual role means that when it's not working right, both hormone regulation and digestion can be impacted. In diabetes, the main issue is with the endocrine function, but changes in the exocrine part can also occur. Understanding this helps explain some of the complications and points to new ways to treat or manage the condition. The health of both parts of the pancreas is important for overall well-being and controlling blood sugar levels.